Together, they're unstoppable. AI is all around you. It fuels creativity, sparks innovation, and transforms our lives daily. Are you ready to dive in? Watch as they harness cutting-edge tech, turning challenges into adventures. Curious how? Stick around. Imagine wandering through incredible digital realms, where AI helps you solve puzzles and unlock secrets. How cool is that? From automating tasks to improving lives, AI's impact is massive. It's not just tech, it's a game changer. Meet the innovators. They're blending creativity with technology, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Dream big. Luna and Ducky are here to inspire you to think creatively about the future of AI. What will you invent? Curiosity meets capability. Ducky's analyzing millions of ideas. Don't you wish you had an AI buddy like this? AI isn't just about tech, it's about people. Join Luna and Ducky in a mission to solve real-world problems together. Let your imagination soar. With AI, the only limit is your creativity. What will you bring to life? Success feels amazing. Together, they've conquered challenges and inspired dreams. Isn't teamwork incredible? So what sparks your curiosity? How can AI help you achieve your wildest dreams? Let's find out. AI is for everyone. Artists, scientists, dreamers, each harness their creativity through technology. Join the movement. Learning should be fun. As the sun sets, new ideas awaken. What vision will you chase? The future is bright. Art meets innovation. Check out these stunning pieces created by AI. What do you think? Is creativity getting a tech makeover?